shadow work. You know, where is it coming from? What is it? And how do I know if I need it? So, Namaskar, this is me, Neha Goyal, your transformation coach, tarot reader, numerologist, and DNA astrologer. And in this video, we are going to speak about shadow work. Now, we all have taken birth on planet Earth because of the consciousness level that we were in, and which definitely requires us to pay up some debt. There is a debt in relation to something that we did in some past existence or existences, and which might have created certain psychological issues within us. It's not something which only a few people have. It is something which affects everybody, irrespective of how rich you are, how poor you are, how best relationships you have, how good you are doing at your job. It doesn't matter. We all are facing these issues. If it wasn't there, then we wouldn't have been born on planet Earth at all. We wouldn't have been humans at all. Now, shadow work is an idea which deals with finding out what is it which is affecting us, what is it which is halting the progress of our life in a particular area. For some it is relationships, for some it is work, for some it is family, for some it is health. And once we find out what it is, then we know in a better way how to pay our debt towards it, or how to work on it. Such that either that particular situation changes, or we change, or the people who we are dealing with, those change. Now, that is what shadow work deals with. For example, for the longest, we feel that we do not have any addictions, or the only addiction that we have can be, or somebody can have, is substance based. But have you ever noticed that how there are certain other sort of addictions that people might have also? For example, addiction of always being in a relationship, or addiction towards a particular kind of food, or let's say addiction towards makeup, addiction towards looking a particular way, even wanting to be perceived in the world a particular way at all times is an addiction. Now, what do these addictions do? They basically take us more and more away from who we truly are. And as soon as you have given up to any or all of these addictions, you've given away your power to them. Say, for example, I want to look a particular way always whenever I come live. And that's an addiction. Having said that, I'm not saying that I should dress up shabbily and come here. But let's say there is a message I want to put across, and I do not and I care a lot about how I'm looking, how my surroundings are looking. Basically, I'm not concentrating on the message that I want to put across, but just on my looks. Can that be an addiction? If I do this over and over again, that can be an addiction, because because what happens is then now the message gets delayed, or it doesn't go out, right? So what am I doing? I am not living my purpose. Maybe my purpose is to give out that message, but because of my addiction, I lower my power. I postpone what needs to come out of me. I go away from my life purpose. And because I am going away from my life purpose because of this particular addiction, see, life purpose is something that we all are here to fulfill. Now or later, we will have to fulfill it. But because of that addiction, I am delaying my life purpose, which means life will keep giving me opportunities. In the beginning, it will give me opportunities in an easy way. And if I hear it, well and good. But if I don't hear it, and if I keep postponing it because of my addictions, or let's say because of my shadow side, then it will start giving me stronger nudges. You know, and those stronger nudges depends upon our astrological chart. Are they easy? Are they difficult? Are they something which I have no support to look at? So on and so forth. So everybody's life is unique, and that's where the personal shadow work session comes into picture. This is just a small example that I'm giving. There are many other ways in which a similar thing can work out. So that's what I wanted to say. Shadow work basically provides you over a period of time. Obviously, it's not a matter of one session in 30 minutes you will transform. It doesn't happen that way. But at least you get an insight into what is it that you need to work on. Things that we had never looked at. You know, things that we thought that do not bother us, but they actually do. things that we thought that, okay, why am I facing such recurring issues at my work or in a relationship? Or why do I always attract a particular kind of a person? I'm the same. The situation is the same. Person keeps changing. Why is that? Well, because we've not paid your debt to that particular situation. And so the situation keeps coming back to you. People keep changing. Another example. So that's what I wanted to put across to all of you. If it calls out to you, please ask me about the 30 minutes session. It is just at 11:11 or $30, and the idea is this is apt time to work on your shadow side. It is there to, by the way, help you, to support you. That's where it was created. But can we channelize it in a good way? Yes, we can. Let's come together and learn that. So all the best. Stay tuned. If you're watching me on YouTube, please like, share, comment and subscribe so that more and more people get to know about this. And if you're watching me on Instagram, please turn on the notifications so that you do not miss anything that I put across, and also share it with your friends. I will see you all soon. Namaskar. Radhe Radhe.